What'd you have for breakfast?
All right, y'all. Good luck.
All right, good luck, guys.
Good morning, everybody. We are on day one of the Bassmaster Kayak Series in La Crosse, Wisconsin. We're fishing pools 7, 8, and 9. Today, I'm fishing in pool 8. And just got to my spot. It's about 17 minutes until line's in, so I have a pretty good while to wait. Didn't take me very long to get to where I'm fishing. I'm gonna fish this point up here this morning. Yesterday, whenever I came out here, I caught a really nice smallmouth. But there's largemouth all mixed in here, and I just know that to be able to fish this, I was gonna have to fish it first thing in the morning. There's actually already a party barge parked on the sandy bank on the other side of the point, and I just have a feeling that this section of the river is just gonna be wild busy because the weather is so nice. Everybody's been cooped up with all the ice and snow they have up here in Wisconsin, so everybody wants to get out in the boats, get out on the water, and enjoy the river, enjoy the lake. You know, I can't say I blame them. There's more people at the ramp this morning than I expected, based on what I kind of saw in practice. There weren't that many people here, but in La Crosse, I think it doesn't matter where you go, you're going to catch fish. It's whether or not you're going to catch the right fish. All right, y'all. First cast. Here we go. Right in the bush. Yes. Oh, no. Oh. Please stay on. Please stay on. Please, 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 please. God, that fish is huge. Oh. More glass. Oh my God. Please go to bed. Please go to bed. Oh my God. Oh, I'm freaking out. Oh my God. Guys. Oh shit. Oh my God, y'all. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Shake it. 18, y'all. That's an 18. Make sure we got a good picture. Yeah. Okay. 18, La Crosse, Wisconsin, baby. First fish in the bag. Yes. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, not anything that I want at all. There's choked that thing. $14.25. I am. Yes.
How you doing?
You guys are sitting in my spot, so. No, you're good. Y'all good. I'm gonna go down and come back up. So fish all you want.
We'll get out of here.
No. I'm gonna go down and come back around another way. So y'all are good. Well, y'all, I think the buzzbait bite has officially died. Yesterday, I think I fished it until about 9 o'clock or so. Kind of did the same thing. I got a bunch in the morning, and then nothing else on the buzzbait for the rest of the day, but I didn't fish it real hard. I didn't want to wear him out on it yesterday, so I stopped fishing it pretty early. People in a canoe. So I guess we're gonna swim, jig, or die now. Yes. They're like very coordinated in their rowing over here. I feel like they're in some kind of competition. They're getting it. They're even wearing like the same hat.
Yeah. I mean, exactly. Like, what is no public lunch?
Yeah, so how? It's not so birds.
Right.
But of course, I don't park on the property.
Right.
But actually, find out if we.
Very coordinated in their rowing. Oh! No! Oh! Pow! In the world. If you're big enough, it's barely big enough. Oh man, you're good. Good Lord. Snouch. Alright. At this point, I will take 12 inches if you are 12 inches, but I don't think you are. 11 and a half. 13 3/4. Foot control steering. Okay, that's 5. I think this one's big enough. I think. There. 12 1/4. Literally by the hair of his chin. Poor guy. Okay. Don't help me there, man. This is the juice right here, guys. Better. Oh my god. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. It's gotta be at least a 17. At least. Okay, y'all. I said I didn't have anything figured out. Oh my gosh, look at that. On a poor boy's baits tube, a Texas rig tube. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? 16 1/4, guys. Get out of there. Oh. Again, looking at it in the net. Oh my gosh, came unhooked. Oh my gosh, that looks like another 16. Take that out of there. That was a juicy cast. Oh man, he was tucked up under that bank. Okay guys, 15 1/4. Puts us at a nice call up. Okay. Oh. Come on now. Little stop it. This one helps, guys. This one helps. That's good. And they're tucked in those undercuts. Do you mind if I float between y'all in the bank?
Oh, go ahead. I'll go around.
Thank you.
Are you guys in a tournament today? Or?
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of floats out.
Yeah, I'm sitting in 27th right now, so I need a couple bigger fish.
I can tell you my secret spot, but it's a long ways from here.
Yeah, don't tell me. I'm not supposed to know.
Not supposed to know.
You guys doing good today?
I got out here about 6:30 and she just came back out with me.
Yeah.
So took them around. Pretty good.
It's gotten a little warm.
Yeah. You needed to bundle up this morning though.
Yeah, I know. I had my jacket on this morning. I had to take it off. Got hot. But I'm from Texas, so this is it's warm. It's warm, but it's not as warm as it is in Texas right now.
Yeah, this is not Texas.
Yeah. I'm not gonna want to go home in a few days. Thanks for letting me come by. Thank you.
Good luck in the past year. Some smallies, a little more current, and we'll be in here.
Yeah, I lost a nice smallie this morning.
Yeah.
Good one. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're tangled in the net. Let's see. Get this out of here. Yes, look at that. Okay, 15 and a quarter. Or I'm sorry, 15 and 3/4. Get out of here. Whoa. Bigger than 15 and a quarter. It's gonna be close. Ow. Ow. Okay. All right. 13 and a half does not help. Okay guys, well that's the end of the party for today. Let's see how many inches I ended up with. Probably gonna move down some spots. Let's see. 22. I'm in 22nd place right now. Of course, people still have an hour to turn their fish in. And I'm sure there will be some people who turn their fish in here in a little bit.